lovely friends, it's Alisa and welcome to my channel. Chinese New Year festival is just around the corner, so today I love to share my simple hairstyle just in case you are looking for new style for the family party dinner, or it could be done up for any other occasion as well. So there's no restrictions, let's begin. I start parting my hair down in the middle and brush it gently. Starting from the right side by taking small section of hair, divide it into 3 equally sections. And you don't need to leave your fringe out in this case, but I love it because it does make my face smaller. As you can see, I start doing the braid and add on the hair sections as I go, like so. Braid it down to the end, and then I tied it up with elastic. I'm going to repeat the same thing to the other side. This time I'm going to fast forward. Bring the 2 braids together all the way to the back. It's your choice whether you like to tie it up with elastic or bobby pin it. Now I'm going to make another simple braids just to create it like a flower. So we just need to braid it all the way down to the end and tie it up with elastic. This time, I'm going to pull the strand from both sides and to make it look bigger and volumized. Then we need to bring this braid slowly and make it like a circle. And make sure we hide it the end well inside and bobby pin it. So that's done! This pretty hairstyle can work so well on straight hair as well, but both curly hair or straight hair would look equally pretty. I would love to hear your comments and if you think this is pretty, so thank you so much for watching. Please thumbs up and subscribe for more hairstyle idea and see you next video. Have a lovely Chinese festival. Bye!